everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give an in-depth review of Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer. I'm using this product for past 3 to 4 months and I really like this product. So I'm going to list on all the highlights, cons and my experience of this product. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Let's go!
Firstly, let's talk about the ingredient list. This product has a lot of good humectants and emollients which helps to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. And also this product has a very simple ingredient list. It does not contain any irritating ingredients, which is a big plus. And the highlights of this products are it is alcohol free, fragrance free and oil free. Okay, so the products which has fragrance can cause allergic reactions to sensitive skin types and acne prone skin types. However, not all skin types are allergic to scented products and it's okay to have fragrance in some of your products. Specifically in your face washes and body washes, it's okay because the contact time on our skin is shorter. But products like moisturizers and sunscreens need to be reapplied and left longer on the skin, so it's best to choose fragrance-free moisturizers. And you must always look out for the moisturizers which has labels like oil-free or non-comedogenic on top of the product. That means it won't clog your pores and it is less likely to cause acne. Now coming to the consistency of the product, this product has non-greasy formula. It kind of gives a matte finish to the skin, so you can also use it under your makeup. It won't give shiny or greasy look at all. My experience with this product is, number one, I can definitely say it works great in terms of moisturization and hydration. It gives a perfect amount of moisturization and with a consistent usage, my skin felt so hydrated. So I noticed this change clearly because generally my skin used to feel so tight only around the nose areas, but after I started using this product for twice a day, I can clearly notice that the tight feeling has been reduced to some extent. Number two is this product claims that it has oil absorbing properties, and yes, it does controls my oiliness. Generally after washing my face, within few hours my T-zone gets completely oily and this moisturizer controls that oil production for few hours. I won't say that it controls throughout the day, but it definitely controls that excess oil effectively, so that's a big plus. Number three, this product is super lightweight, so it didn't break me out or it didn't clog my pores, which I really liked about this product. Because generally thicker moisturizers are problematic, they take longer time for your skin to absorb, so they sit on the skin and clog your pores. But this moisturizer is lightweight and oil free, so it won't clog your pores, which makes a perfect choice as a daily moisturizer.
I use this moisturizer once in the morning and once in the evening, and one pump is sufficient to give a perfect moisturization for our entire face and neck.
Now let's talk about the cons of this product. Firstly, I don't have any disappointing cons for this product. The only problem with this product is after applying this moisturizer, you need to wait at least for 5 minutes under fan or something because it gives a little sweating to the face. But once it's absorbed well into the skin, your skin doesn't sweat or it won't feel heavy and you're good to go. So if you're a person who lives in a humid or hot place, you might find this difficult to use this product. Okay, let's move on to the packaging and price of this product. This product has pump type packaging. You can turn it and lock it in, so it is very convenient and you can also use it while traveling. And this product has been designed for combination skin, but actually this formula works fine for oily skin, normal skin and combination skin. And I don't think this product works for dry skin because it has a water-based and mild formula which is not effective on dry skin. Okay, the price of the product is MRP 429 for 118 ml and I bought this product for 370 in Amazon. And whenever I check this price of the product, it differs. Most of the time you will get it in the offer in Amazon or Nykaa. I'll put both the links in the description box so you can check it out. Alright, when it comes to the conclusion of the product, so I tried many moisturizers and this product worked great for me. It has a simple formula and a decent ingredient list which gives you straight moisturization and effective hydration and keeps your skin plump. So if you're a person who has combination skin, oily skin or normal skin, and if you want a moisturizer which is gentle, lightweight and fragrance free, I totally recommend this product. And one thing to remember, even though if a product is highly rated in the market, you still need to do a patch test because every skin is different and every skin responds differently to different products. So always do a patch test. That's it for today. I really love trying moisturizers and I hope I'll come up with more moisturizer reviews in my channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and give it a big thumbs up. Bye guys.